I am your math teacher Wakchaure P S. Today we are going to learn about the indices. In the previous video you have already learned about the base and index. For example, 7 raised to 9, where 7 is a base and 9 is a index. Now after that you have learned about the multiplication of indices with the same base. Same base means what? That a, here a is same. A raised to m into a raised to n is equal to a raised to m plus n. For example, you have 6 raised to 3 into 6 raised to 5. How you will write that? 6 raised to 3 plus 5. That is 6 raised to 5, 6, 7, 8. In this way you will solve the problem. Same for multiplication. Now when you are doing multiplication, only division, only change is what? That you will minus here. Here same base means a and a raised to m divided by a raised to n, which is equal to a raised to m minus n. Similarly, 6 raised to 4 divided by 6 raised to 3, 6 raised to 4 minus 3, which is equal to 6 raised to 1. In this way you will solve that problem. Now today we are going to learn about the indices of the product or the quotient of two numbers. For example, you have 4 into 3 raised to 4. Now what is here? That this bracket you will write a 4 times. 4 into 3. This is first bracket into 4 into 3. Second bracket into 4 into 3. Third bracket into 4 into 3. So you have written 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. So what you will do? You will write this 4. 1, 2, 3 and 4. You have collect all 4 together. In same way you will write 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 times. So your answer is 4 raised to 4 into 3 raised to 4. Similarly, you will solve this second problem. 2 upon 3 into, how much time you will write it? 5 times. 2 upon 3. 2, 3, 4 and 5 times. So this 2 raised to, how many 2's are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So you will write it as 2 raised to 5 upon 3 raised to 5. When you observe this problem, you will get a formula. If A and B are non-zero rational numbers and m is an integer, then first you will get as a raised to a into b raised to m is equal to a raised to m into b raised to m. And second formula you will get as a upon b raised to m is equal to a raised to m upon b raised to m. That is a raised to m raised to n is equal to, that is power of a number in index form. For example, you have 5 raised to 2 raised to 3. So what is here? This 5 raised to 2 you will multiply 3 times. 1, 2 and 3 times. So how you will write this? Since this base is same and here multiplication sign is here, so you will write as 5 raised to 2 plus 2 plus 2, which is equal to 5 raised to 2 plus 2, 4. 4 plus 2 is 6. In same way, for example, you have second example, 3 raised to minus 2 raised to minus 5. This you will write as 1 upon 3 raised to minus 2 raised to 5. Now this, whatever you have here minus, it became plus because you are writing it as upon form. So you will write it as 1 raised to. Now 3 raised to minus 2, you will write it as 5 times. 3 raised to minus 2 into 3 raised to minus 2, 2 times, 3 times, 4 times and 5 times. Now you have written it as 5 times. So you will write at 3 raised to minus 2 into 5, that is equal to 1 upon 3 raised to minus 10. So in same way this answer will be 3 raised to 10. Since it denominator is minus 10, numerator become 3 raised to 10, and you will arrive a formula a raised to minus m is equal to 1 upon a raised to m. So you have learned your new formula. Now depending upon this, we will solve one problem. 2 upon 3 raised to minus 2 raised to 3. Here you write 2 upon 5. 2 upon 3 raised to minus 2. 2 upon 3 raised to minus 2 into 2 upon 3 raised to minus 2. How many times you have written? 3 times, because outside here is 3. So we will write as 2 upon 3 here minus 2 plus minus 2 plus minus 2, which is equal to 2 upon 3 raised to minus 6. This you can write as 3 upon 2 raised to 6, because what we have done here, we have took a reciprocal of it. And similarly, if it is a raised to m, raised to n is equal to a raised to m into a raised to m into a raised to m into dash dash n times. That means a raised to m plus m plus m, that is n times, which is equal to a raised to m into n. So if a is a non-zero rational numbers and m and n are integers, then a raised to m raised to n is equal to a raised to m into n, which is a raised to m n. Now depending upon this, we will solve some problem. That is, for example, now simplify. First one, that is 15 upon 12 raised to 13 raised to 4. So you will here what you will do, you will write a directly answer of the question, that is 15 upon 12 raised to 3 into 5. So you will directly write answer 15 upon 12 raised to 3 into 4, that is 15 upon 12, 4, 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12. In this way you will solve this question 1 of practice set 29. Now question 2 of practice set 29 is 2 raised to 7, 2 upon 7 raised to minus 2. What you will do here, now it is raised to minus 2. Similarly, you will only write the reciprocal of the number, that is equal to this 7 upon 2 raised to 2. In this way, you will solve as homework practice set 29.